The Inventory Source Order Manager tool allows you to fully automate your order processing by seamlessly importing orders from your sales channels, processing them directly to your suppliers, and syncing tracking information to your sales channel once the orders have shipped. Today we're going to show you some of the tools and features available with Order Manager. So to get started, simply click on the link to the left. We recommend verifying and manually processing all orders for the first few weeks until you become familiar with processing orders. Should you eventually want to get set up on auto process, you can reach out to any of our support team members and they can assist you further. You can see here that we currently have 2 orders waiting to be processed. The green process button here indicates that we have all of the necessary information needed to process the order, and sending it to the supplier is as easy as a click of a button. The red resolve button next to this order indicates that there's some missing information that you must include or correct in order to process the order. If we click the red resolve button, in this order, it'll indicate that there's some missing information that we must complete. You can see the error message up here on the top is that the shipping method is not assigned for this SKU. You can see we've imported the shipping from the sales channel to read standard shipping, which means that the customer has either purchased or paid for whatever standard shipping is. So we'll go down here into the shipping line, and we can select what we want standard shipping to be mapped to for this particular sales channel. For the sake of the demo, we're going to select UPS Ground, click Update, and you can see that the red Resolve button has now turned into the green Process button. This indicates that the order is ready to go, and now we can send it to the supplier. You can search for orders based on their status over here in the left-hand panel. You can see we have some processed orders indicated by the green pills here in the progress lines. You can also see that we have shipped orders here, indicated by the green pill being filled all the way through. You can also search by certain channels, certain suppliers, to really narrow down your search if you're looking for a particular type of order. If you want to search by order number, customer name, or SKU, you can do so here in the search bar. You can even narrow down the dates of the orders as well if you're searching for orders that were imported or placed on a specific date. We sync orders from your sales channels once an hour, but if you do want to come in and process an order without having to wait for the next scheduled order sync, it's as easy as coming in and clicking this Sync Orders button. This will pull any remaining orders that are in your sales channels into Order Manager and will allow you to process them and send them to the supplier. You may have some additional questions that could be answered in our order automation guide associated with this video. Feel free to take a look at that, and if you still have questions or need assistance, you can always schedule a call with any of our team members or shoot us an email at support@inventorysource.com.